Hey guys, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today I'm going to be talking about how to wear a statement necklace. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. If you want to learn how to wear a gorgeous statement necklace without taking away from the rest of your ensemble, you are in the right place. A statement necklace is seriously so gorgeous, and it's a perfect way to add your sense of style and personality to any outfit. A perfect way to make a statement with your outfit is by adding a big bright pop of color with a statement color necklace. But it does not have to be a huge, chunky, colorful piece in order to make a statement. For example, I'm wearing our raspberry drop, and this is a beautiful, like magenta, very, very gorgeous and bright agate necklace, and I get compliments on this all the time. It's super simple and elegant, yet it's a statement necklace because it's bright and super fun, and it will add a really nice pop of color to any outfit. And if a bright necklace is not for you, that's totally cool. There are other ways to make statements with your necklaces. One way is by there are people that like to wear like super bright, colorful, patterned outfits. And if that is you, I would highly recommend wearing a monochromatic statement piece, whether that's black and white or gray, silver, just very, very one note colored, and that will kind of pop off of that really colorful patterned look that you love. Another great way to make your necklace stand out is by wearing a necklace that sparkles and shines. Yes, that's right. You want to find a necklace that kind of captures the light of the sun and it lets off those little sparkles. And I would recommend doing something with like pave crystals or some sort of crystal that's going to reflect that light out and shine. If you're looking for a more professional way to make a statement with your necklace, I would recommend for the workplace or when you're trying to go for a more professional look, for a very muted and maybe even geometric shape that will give you that very professional but still a beautiful and unique look around your neck. You can also totally glam up a really, really, really casual outfit. This is really my style. That's my favorite thing to do. I'll wear like a rock tee or sweatpants, and then I just jazz it up with some cool layered jewelry, and I feel like $1,000,000. It just makes me feel like I am put together. My outfit looks on point, and I feel like it was like intentional that I was going for that like super casual mom look, but I took it up a notch. And if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, make sure you check the links in the description below and help support my channel. If you want to hear more about jewelry, fashion, and all things LaCkore Couture, make sure you subscribe and check out one of our videos right here above, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!